Y'all seen when I was driving, that joker was, ooh, herky jerky. So, you know, hey, it was crazy, but. Hey, now he see the behind the scenes of his crazy behind brother. 18. What? Delete orders! TNT gang was poppin'. Hey, it is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. Hey, today we got something a little different, y'all. I gotta go help my brother out, man. If y'all don't know, he's driving a Malibu, a Chevy Malibu. I don't know, what is it, a 2011, I believe. Man, that joker been giving him heck since he bought it, man. If you have a Malibu, I recommend you get rid of that junk, man. Hey, Chevy don't make nothing good but trucks and the Camaro, man. Everything else Chevy is trash to me.
Accurate.
But I'm gonna go up here, hit up Atlanta, man. I'm gonna take y'all along with me, man. I don't know what we're gonna, what we got in store. We're gonna go up here and see what we can do. Hopefully chill with my brother for a little bit to try to find out what's going on with it, man. But I want to take y'all along with me because I've been slacking on the videos, man. I just want to bring y'all along. It's car content, and plus y'all probably get to meet the main man behind TNT Garage that be pushing me every day to try to do the best I can, for the social media stuff, man. And he give me a lot of ideas I be putting on the channel too, man. So yeah, I'm gonna put his Instagram in the description, even though I know he don't be standing no followers, man. If y'all want to, go follow him. He an ex-NFL player.
Coach, I can't run today. My knees fake and my ankles fake. I got orthopedic knees.
Nah, UGA starter, man. He was a great starter for the UGA Bulldogs down here in Athens, Georgia, man. So yeah, y'all go show him some love if y'all want to, man. But let's go. Got a little ways to go to get to Atlanta, y'all. Got a little ways to go. So let's go. Oh, woo. All right, guys, we done made it. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go ahead and get the scan tool, put it on here, see what we got going on. He's saying that it's losing power and it does a little hesitation type of stuff. We're gonna get him on the video later on just to let him explain what's going on. And I'm gonna let you guys go in the comment section and just let me know what you guys think, because we're gonna just try our best, man. This car is on its last leg, and it got over 200,000 miles on it. It's been beat up, man. It's been from here to Athens for many years. But we're just trying to make sure that it lasts for a little bit longer till everything maybe probably the next year where he can get something else. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this hooked up. Hey, y'all don't laugh at my box, man. It's beat up. The box beat up. But we gonna get this thing straightened out here. This ain't the best scan tool. I got it from Matco.
Perfect.
If you guys, not Matco, what the heck I'm talking about? The Mac Tools is the ET123. The little red skin that came off of it, because I think I got some oil on it or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna see what this thing twerking with, y'all. Let's see. Oh, what the heck? I can already hear some crazy noises up front, like the fuel line, fuel rail or something. It sounds crazy. Y'all listen. Can y'all hear? Well, no, it ain't doing it now. Yeah, it got 204,000 miles on it. Let's see what we got. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this situated. I'll cut y'all back on, man. All right, guys, we got this little old video game on. See what we got going on, man. Let's go ahead, see if we got any codes. Man, I never know what the heck this is talking about, but if you guys know, go down in the comment section, let me know. And that bell dinging is getting on my nerve. Come on. Come on. Oh. That's my bad, huh? Okay. Ooh. Let's see what we got going on here, cuz. Didn't it just say it had some... No, I don't want to erase nothing. Injector circuit open, cylinder 3. Injector circuit open, cylinder 4. Cylinder misfire detected. Injector circuit open, cylinder 3. Cylinder 3 misfire detected. Injector circuit open 3. Cylinder 3 misfire detected. Permanent. Oh Lord. So he got just a permanent misfire in cylinder 3, and it looked like injector 4 is messing up too. But it's not saying a misfire in 4, but it's saying an open circuit. I know he had problems with the fuel rail before, so we might can look under the hood and see what we got going on underneath there. Any connections, anything like that is loose. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and write these codes down and then go on Google, research it, see what people say. You know, and if you guys know anything, just go down in the comment section. Like I said before, just give us an idea of what you think may be going on, but we might have it fixed before this video is even done with, man. You never know. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that, and I'll cut y'all back on.
Moments later.
Oh Lord, I forgot that he said that the traction control, it wasn't working either. So, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey, I'm kind of scared to drive this thing, man, because it's so underpowered right now, bro. Oh, it's misfiring like crazy. Oh my goodness. I don't see how he driving this thing. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Oh, we gotta get back. Oh, we gotta get back. Man, this thing right here, bro. Ooh, woo. Y'all let me know about that too, man. Do y'all know anything about the traction? What is it? What was it? What is it? The traction? I can't even talk. The traction control goes off, and then the whole car just start acting crazy. Oh my goodness. Service traction. Well, the tire monitoring system, that ain't nothing. Oh man, I'm finna go back. I'm scared, y'all. All right, guys, man, look what I found. Look at here. And it's going under the engine. And then it's going through this wiring harness up here. More than likely up here to the injectors. Look at this, man. Oh Lord. Yeah, cause this is not factory. This can't be factory here. You got black wires with white stripes. You got 4 of them. Is it 4? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's only 3. My bad, y'all. It's only 3. Well, it could be factory. But why would the loom... I'm lost, y'all. I'm lost. And it's about to rain, too. Man, let me see if I can get this.
Later. I done talk too much. Made joke. Atlanta that.
It is ma'am.
Talk, you know how I was. Before I got there.
All right, gang, it is the next day, and yes, I didn't record really too much of what we were doing. It's because, it was raining, man, and we were just trying to make sure we get everything situated before we ran out of light. It's fall now, so we don't get all the light that we used to, because the last clip that you saw, it was around 5 o'clock, so you already know that time, hey, it's about gone then. But what me and my brother, what we found out is we think cylinders 3 and 4, those injectors are going bad. So what we did, we went to Napa, we ordered 2 of them, and hopefully that fixed the problem. But something crazy just happened. Not just happened, but Chris, he called me, or he texted me and told me that the car was running perfectly fine. He's like, man, it's been acting crazy every day, and then all of a sudden now, after we cleaned the battery terminals and I cleaned the throttle body a little bit, I just did a couple little things. I was looking for vacuum leaks and stuff like that. He was like, man, it ran pretty good today. So I know it's something intermediate.
Perfect.
Intermittent.
You stupid.
Intermittent. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but it doesn't happen every time. So I know it has to be something that I know I can't find without the correct tools and, the time to be able to do it, man. I couldn't, find out what it was that quick, but hopefully, it doesn't do it anymore. He can take those fuel injectors back, and, he won't have to worry about it, man. But if it starts doing it again, we're going to change those out. We're going to make a video on that, so if it starts to happen again and y'all see a video with me changing injectors out, y'all know it came back. But yeah, that's what's kind of getting me to thinking that it may not be the injectors, because it's just sporadic. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep doing some research, and we're gonna keep praying, Lord, please let us find out what's going on. Because like I said, he don't need it too much longer. He just needs it, just to get him through the year and a little bit after that, man. Just as a work car. Like I just can't.
Gosh.
I just can't stand regular Chevy cars. Chevy, they make good trucks. I think they make good trucks, and they make the Camaros. They good. Besides that, I don't think Chevy makes anything good. Y'all can go down in the comment section. Y'all can fight me if you want. So I don't care. They make trash to me. I done had plenty of Chevys. Not top tier Chevys, but the bottom tier Chevys, they trash, man. They trash. Straight boo-boo. But hey, hopefully you guys like this little quick video. It wasn't nothing too much. May not be quick, maybe a little bit longer than I think, but we really didn't do too much. But I just wanted to keep y'all in the loop, man, because I ain't been making too many videos. But stay tuned. The C10, we're gonna get to working on it, man. We're gonna get it done. I know I've been saying that all year, but I think this is the time that we're gonna really get this thing done, because I'm starting to free up a little bit more time to where I can, focus on the C10 and get those little stupid things I need to get done with it, plus the paint job. I know y'all waiting on that paint job, but yeah, y'all just stay tuned, subscribe. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I go drop some stuff down there, funny stuff down there too on Instagram, just to try to shake it up a little bit, instead of just having only the regular content on Instagram. I like to put some funny stuff on there too, cause yeah, I don't know what I just said, but y'all have a blessed day. All right, y'all. Peace. Boy, I'm so lame, boy.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool. Yeah, go ahead, take it. Yeah, take it all the way up. Yeah. Yeah.